Hey guys, it's Kristin. So I'm gonna do a really quick video on how to curl your hair with a flat iron. What's gonna be a little bit different about my video is I'm gonna be more specific as to how to do it. I feel a lot of the times people are just like, turn it like this and pull, and then it doesn't work, and you're like, what the heck? And you're doing it over and over and over. I had the same problem. I was watching tutorials months ago and I could not figure out how to do this. And after lots of practice, I figured out how to do it, and I realized there are certain things you need to know to do it properly. So I'm gonna show you those. So for this video, I am gonna be using my Duval flat iron. If you guys are interested in finding out more about this, there is gonna be a link in the description. Also, I am fortunate enough to have a promo code for this to get 70% off, 70. So go check it out, it's in the link below. So throughout this video, I'm gonna be explaining different things or things I think you should do, and this is just based off of my own personal experience. So the first thing is I turn this up as high as it will go. I find that if it's not at the highest setting, I have a harder time. So we're gonna grab a chunk of hair, and I definitely find that this is way easier to do on my left side than on my right side. So we'll start over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a chunk. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna place it right at the top. Now a lot of people go over this and say like flat iron it first. You can. I have found that does not make any difference whatsoever. So I'm gonna place it at the top, and then I'm gonna turn it away from me all the way around. So if you look this way, now I can't leave it on there for too long because look at my hair. What I have found is that you need to put a lot of pressure. So kind of pull your hair and pull this really tight, but also go slow. That's the other thing, the biggest thing is until I slowed down, it wasn't working because I would turn it and I would pull, and it wouldn't do anything. So I'll show you what I was doing before, okay? So I put this in and turn, and I would go like this. And it did nothing. It's pretty much just flat ironed, so cool. But that's not what we were trying to do. So now I'm gonna grab this chunk again, and then we're gonna put this in, and I'm gonna turn it all the way, and I'm gonna pull this really tight, and I'm pulling the curling iron tight, and I'm gonna go really, really slow. And make sure you go all the way to the end, or else you're gonna have no curls there. And then you can twist, 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 and you see there's, oh, you can't see because my hair is too dark. And now you have a curl. I mean, this one's kind of crazy, but that's also because I went over it like 10 times. All right, so let's do another one. All right, let's do this one more time. I hate doing my right side, it's so much harder. Okay, so normally you just go like this. Like when I'm on my right side, I just go like that. When I'm on my left side, I have to turn my hand like this and put it in, so that way when I turn, my hand's facing the right way. Does that make sense? Okay, so when I'm on this side, because I'm right-handed, and then when I go to this side, I literally turn my hand around like that, so my knuckles are like facing my face. And that's just me. I cannot do it unless my hand's facing a certain way. So I'm gonna go like this, my knuckles are facing my face. I'm going to turn all the way once, okay? And I'm holding this tight and holding the curling iron tight. And we're gonna pull tight, 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 really, really slow. I'm like in a pretzel right now. You see this? This is why I hate doing this side. I'm sure there's probably a better way to do it like this, but I cannot. This is how I have to do mine. Hold tight, and then we're gonna just do quick turn. Okay, and I'll show you. You can kind of see, so there's the curl. I still haven't been doing the curls for that long, so like I'm still perfecting them, because you can see like this one looks really good. I don't know why this one looked good and the other ones looked all weird. Those are the main things, is that you need to pull tight and slow. Because in the other videos, they're just like, and they're like done. That did not work for me. Maybe it works for you, but I just wanted to show you how I was able to figure out how to curl my hair. It also helps to have a good flat iron. So this one I have really liked. I love that it's pink and the size, and it's like a perfect size for me. So the link that's below is not just for flat irons, it's for other hair styling tools. But yeah, definitely check out the website and you'll get your styling tools for 70% off. It's awesome. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video. I'll talk to you later.